Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something super funny and a little bit crazy. What if I told you you can draw a beautiful colorful fish without drawing a single line? Yes, no lines, no shapes, only dots, dots, dots. Yes. So if you love art, colors and making tiny dots like a pro, then get ready because today we are becoming dot art masters. Let's start before my fish swims away. And here we have a little funny story for you guys. Okay? Once upon a time, there was a tiny fish named Bubbly. But Bubbly had a problem. She was invisible. Yes, so no one could see her because she had no colors at all. One day she made a magical octopus. The octopus said, "Don't worry, I will give you colors, but only with dots." Then pop, pop, pop. Colors dots started appearing on Bubbly bodies. Red, yellow, blue, green, and slowly become the most beautiful fish in the ocean. And everyone said, "Wow, look at that amazing dot fish." So today we are going to help Bubbly become colorful again using dots only. Whoa, whoa, guys, look at your fish. Who knew dots could create something this amazing? Yes, if your fish looks awesome, give yourself a big clap. And if it's look a little funny, that's okay. Even my fish looks like it ate too many bubbles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like my drawing. Then, okay. And for more drawings and crazy ideas, comment below how many dots did you use? I will use. I will use. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep making dot magic and swim. Swim. Bye bye.